Say hello to the new face of success. Well-travelled and respected by all, from the elephants of Uttar Pradesh to the llamas of the Peruvian highlands. Winner of 2 international surfing championships, with a love of French baking and cuisine. Father of many litters. In other words, he's a boss. Yet, he's haunted by nightmares of his past. Back when he lost his job, he relied on his credit cards to survive. Disaster followed, and his basement became the town's first indoor swimming pool. His car's warning lights seemed harmless, until they weren't. His credit cards couldn't help him, as the fees and debts piled up. Finally, he'd had enough. He took his plight to the experts at DebtReliefCenter.org. He heard they'd served over 12 million people in debt. Now he's back on his feet and off on his next adventure. Get your life back at DebtReliefCenter.org. Call or click today.